washers, see. Okay. This should get me over the top of the back of the bracket that's in the way. Over this area here where we're hitting. Okay. Now let's see what we got going on. It's looking better. Where you want it?
Yep, right there, it's good.
Some way past where we need it to be. Okay, I'm going to take one of those washers out. Got. Two washers, put it way above the surface. So we just use one. Out. Do we want it? The right spot.
Yeah, right about there.
Angle looks pretty close. Bracket pulls out a little bit. Bend it as we need to. It's tight. Okay, we got a good gap there. It's a lot closer than it used to be. We got our gap back here now. And the angle looks pretty good over here now too. When the other pipe comes out, it'll clear the shot completely.
Yeah, that looks good.
We can go in maybe a little bit if it wants to, but it's close. Doesn't matter how much I can twist it like this here. Here like that. You bend it out a little bit like this. See how it's freestanding, kind of where we want it to be now a little bit. See, I moved the back of the pipe in a little bit. Does that look good for you back there now? Or is it too far in now? You have to go look in the back here.
Yeah.
This angle's pretty good now. It's tucked in a little bit tighter. When this pulls out, it'll be right here. You like that, or?
I think that's good.
Okay. Now the bracket needs to be bent here, but I can't.
It needs to come out just a tad.
Yeah, it's just gonna slide them out of angle. I don't want in there right now. Put the pipe exactly where I want it to be over here. Okay, that looks really good there to you?
Yeah, that looks good.
Okay, we got our good gap. We got a good solid 1/8 inch here. So that'll keep the master cylinder cooler.
Yeah.
See, now the pipe is being held where it wants to be. I'm not forcing it.
Right.
So that means the stress is off all your brackets.
That's good. Then we got clearance.
So all we gotta do now is grind this. It's gonna come up a little bit higher as I grind it. So, come up a little bit, and it'll be pretty good. Get a good gap there. So I think it looks pretty good right there. Okay, so now we have two options here. I can either grind this piece or this piece. Doesn't really matter which one it is. The back of the pipe's going to go down quite a bit as this comes up. So now I need to guess how much we're going to cut off. Now we're going to cut off
If that end of the pipe is gonna suck up, should we lift this with it?
Can't lift it, the bracket's already where it's going to be. If you modify the bracket, it's going to change everything. And we're already right up, since it's fitting down here, so I can't do too much changes anyway.
Mm-hmm.
It's just going to lower the back down a little bit, so it'll be all right. You won't notice the difference once I get it done.
Yeah, I'm just looking at the line of the frame and the pipe itself.
Too bad. We have to live with it. Okay. See where I got the cut mark over there? Hold that pipe. Okay. Ratchet go. Okay, that's how much I gotta grind off to get it roughly where we need to be. I gotta do that without hurting myself somehow. That sounds like fun. I want to try not to grind this area here, which we know is going to happen, but it'd be nice if we didn't. The angle needs to be up, and that much needs to come off. Getting hot. We'll be back. Oh, wonderful. Sharp edge. Our mark kind of disappeared from all the heat. Make a new one. Is it where you want it? we got? Close.
Pretty close.
Should stay there. We go. Are we in the right angle? Yeah, it looks pretty close. Look at the lights off. You can turn the light on. I can't see the backside. Is it close on that side? I can't see.
It's pretty close.
Yeah, so just keep going at that angle and we should be good. It's a little bit bore angle on the backside. Go over there and look. A little more of a gap back here, I think. Let me see. Yeah. I'm grinding a little bit too much on that edge over there. So we need to quit grinding. We're getting a lot of material coming off on this side. There's a big hole on the back side. Now you grind too much on that side. Hold it straight. What do you keep moving it for? Yeah, so I need to just go around here. This is all the same angle. Yeah, ground. We're getting a hole on the back of it. Yeah, it's about the same error. Yeah, so this is where we stop at right here. Okay, pull it off. Scratch it. What's the problem? I don't think it was that hard. Is that hard of a job?
Muy difícil.
Don't know how to use ratchets. Can't use them semi-hand power tools. Cold back here. From hot to cold. When I'm grinding my fingers, they get hot. Alright, so where did I grind? I wasn't supposed to grind. Oh yeah. Okay, so we can't keep grinding. Where'd my mark go? Did you order my mark off? What'd you do with my mark?
It's on the inside.
What mark?
This one?
Where's the end mark where it was supposed to end?
Right there.
Yeah, I had two.
I don't know.
What was the one that was on this side? There was a mark over here somewhere where it stopped grinding. Well, hopefully it's in the right spot because it's gone. My pin's gone too. Somebody stole my felt tip. It's right there by the crescent wrench. Got to watch out for the thieves around here. See, the filmer's not very good either because he's not watching what we're doing over here. Okay, where's the mark? So we quit grinding right here. So I got rubbed off. All right, so I got to keep grinding that out. The biggest thing is I can't grind this over here no more. No more. That's the bad area. Don't grind those areas. Those are bad. All right. We'll be back. We got to do some grinding. Line it up. That's it. All right. A little bit of pressure going on there.
Oh yeah, that's it.
What's it?
You're right. It's perfect.
Perfect. Hey, lights off again.
I don't feel.
I don't see no gap on the back side.
No, there's no gap.
There's no gap on this side either? How about on the other side?
Not feeling one.
You're not feeling it? We're gapless?
We're gapless.
Oh my God, look at a huge ass offset over here. Okay, you gonna weld it back together now? Who's gonna put it together? You gonna weld it?
I have no welding skills.
You have no welding skills?
No.
Well, who's gonna weld it? Someone's gotta weld it. Okay. So there's your final mock-up before you weld it. You see anything you don't like? We have a gap here. We have a gap there. How's your foot peg? Foot peg good? Mash cylinder looks good over there?
Yep.
Angle look good out the ass end?
Angle looks good.
You sure?
Yeah.
It's not too high, too low, too right, too left?
That looks good.
You have to live with it. It's a lifetime project. Can't ever change it again. Okay, you like that one?
Yeah, it looks good.
Okay. All right, I gotta take this back off now because somebody didn't deburr it. Deburr it. Okay, so we'll take it off. We gotta get our welder over here. I have to get a welder to weld it with a welder. First, we gotta chamfer the pipe to make room for the welder to weld it. All right, we'll be back.